The next report we're going to run is the tracking template benchmark Sankey. Now, Sankey chart has a couple of different uses, but it's really useful for comparing the flow of information over time. So we're going to have a look here at, say, their science, maths, English result, and we'll pick the end of 2013, and we're going to have a look at their maths points for this. So we can use this little copy bar, and it'll copy the top and bottom option, and so then we can just fill out the year that we're wanting to use in each of these cases. Copy, and I'm going to skip a year and end up at 2017. There we go. So we've got 4 different reporting periods, and we're going to create that chart, which is going to show our maths result over this time period. So I'm just going to drag that up a little bit. So this is our first reporting period here. These are our Ds, Cs, Bs, and As. And then you can see these are our A's in our second reporting period, which was 2014. So you can see straight away there's more A's here. You can see the flow. You can see those individual students who have gone from a B to an A. You can have a look at bigger trends all the way through. You'll be able to isolate and overview individual students who have changed grades between reporting periods there. So that's a really useful chart, maybe for NAPLAN bands over time, stay-nines over time, and this A to E reporting over time as well. And you can run this same report for GPAs and effort and behaviour point averages as well, and have a look for those big swings that might happen between reporting periods. So that's one use of it, is comparing things over time, a similar thing. But another one is you can actually do a comparison of different things compared to each other. So on this left-hand side, we're going to do NAPLAN bands, year 5, and we'll have a look at the reading band. We'll compare that to their English result in the middle, E and G, and then on the right-hand side, we're going to put their Pat R information, and we'll use stay-nines. So stay-nines and bands work better with the Sankey chart. So we'll create this chart now. And I'll just show you what this means. So in the middle here, we've got their A to E for English. On this left-hand edge, we've got their bands, their reading band for NAPLAN. And on this edge, we've got their stay-nine for their Pat R. You can see straight away there's a better correlation here with the NAPLAN data than there is with the Pat data. You can see here we've got a band 6 who's getting an A, so well done, Madeline. And you can see here we've got a D, who got a band 6 in the Pat R, so that's Natasha Romanov. So again, you can see those big outliers. You can mouse over and find out who they might be. These reports as well, they respect a found set, so you can do this for a whole cohort, or you can drill down to individual groups using the TrackEd finds and then run a Sankey for any purpose. So that might be one thing over time, tracking that over time, or it might be different things and looking at those correlations, looking for outliers, those who are overperforming and those who are underperforming.